Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Excel has the map capability. It lives in Microsoft 365 and later builds. Once that's confirmed, format your list as an Excel table, address, or lat/long in separate columns, because tables feed Power Query and the map control. Next, select the table and insert the Bing Maps visual or convert the address column to the geography data type, so Excel can geocode automatically. This first step gets raw data into a structured form, so mapping works cleanly and reliably. Once your table is recognized, convert addresses to the geography data type or run Power Query to call the Bing geocoding engine. This produces latitude and longitude fields. Then add the Bing Maps visual to the sheet and bind fields. Assign latitude and longitude and drag a category or value for pushpin styling. Make sure to set aggregation if you want clusters, otherwise show individual points. Finally, pick map layer, road, aerial, or hybrid, and set initial zoom so the area of interest is centered and readable. To finish, lock your visual layout, save the workbook, and verify the bound fields still reference the table so future refreshes work. If points are misplaced, check the geocoded latitude/longitude values and confirm regional decimal separators. A comma can flip coordinates. Once done, use Refresh All to pull new rows into the map and consider scheduled refreshes for dynamic sources. If the map won't render, sign out and back into Office. Authentication often fixes Bing API access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.